Everyone thinks AI video generation is expensive. That's what they want you to believe, because the moment people realize it's free, everything changes. Right now, there are 3 AI video tools, completely free, unlimited, and barely anyone is using them correctly. No paywalls, no daily limits, no 7-day trial nonsense. If that sounds good to you, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a positive comment so you won't miss videos like this. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the tool that creates hyper-realistic AI videos, the one perfect for faceless YouTube automation and the hidden platform almost no creators are talking about. Watch carefully, because the third one changes the game completely. Let's begin. So this is the first AI tool I'm showing you, and honestly, it looks really cool. But don't let the design fool you. This thing is powerful and super user-friendly. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last tool I'll show you is literally the god of free video generation. Now let's jump in. First, we head over to the Imagine section. As you can see, there's already a gallery filled with high-quality generations. You could easily pick one and edit it to your taste. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to create our own content from scratch. So to do that, we come over here, switch the mode to video, and for this example, we're using a 1:1 aspect ratio. Now watch this. All you have to do is type a simple prompt. Let's try, a young woman brushing her teeth. And just like that, look at this. With such a simple prompt, this AI tool generated a clean, realistic video in seconds. And if you're not satisfied, just click Redo. It instantly creates a completely new version. Personally, I prefer this one. The quality is sharp and very realistic. You can just head over here and click on Download to download the generation. Now let's test the image generation. We'll type a cat playing with a red ball, and boom, it generates multiple high-quality images. And here's the crazy part. It keeps generating as you scroll. It literally doesn't stop, so you just pick the one you like. And to bring it to life, click the magic button, Make Video. Now watch this. In seconds, it transforms that static image into a realistic video of a cat playing with a ball. And again, if you don't like it, just hit Redo or edit it to your preference. That's how simple it is. And that's it for the first tool. It is called Grok AI. Don't worry about the names yet, because I'll be listing the tools in the description. So this is the second tool I'm going to show you in this video, and it's really, really good and reliable. You can create both images and videos with it. But we're going to start with the video generation first. Just click on Create Video. We're going to type in the following prompt: a girl with green hair walking down the stairs. If you look closely, you'll notice there isn't an option to select the aspect ratio. So we'll simply include the aspect ratio inside the prompt. I'm using a 1:1 aspect ratio. Then click Animate. The tool begins processing our request, and as you can see, it creates different versions of the video. You can choose the one you like best. It generated an animated version and also a more realistic version. We'll go with the realistic one. From here, you can add music, extend the duration, and restyle the video. Once you're satisfied, just click Download. Now head back to the home page and click Create Image. This time, there's an option to select the aspect ratio directly, so we'll choose the classic 1:1 aspect ratio. Next, we'll type in the prompt: a girl with purple hair reading in a park. The AI starts processing the request and generates multiple images. As you can see, they all look really good. Just click the one you like. You can also turn the image into a video by clicking Animate. Wait for it to process, and let's check the results. You can continue editing by typing in additional prompts to refine it to your taste. Once you're happy with the final result, simply click Download. Stay tuned, because in a few moments, I'll be revealing another powerful tool that competes strongly with VEO3 in video generation. You won't want to miss it. Now, about the next tool. The name of this tool is Gemini, developed by Google. This is not a cloned app or a fake website. It's an official AI platform from Google. Many people use Gemini daily, but not everyone explores its advanced capabilities. Some of its more powerful features are often geared toward business and enterprise users. I've included the official link in the description so you can access it directly. Simply sign up to get started. To generate a video, click on Tools, then select Create Video. Enter a simple prompt and let the AI do the work. As you can see, it generates a highly realistic video. For image generation, click on Generate Images. You'll notice that this website uses Nano Banana Pro for its image generation. All you have to do is to type in your prompt, then click Generate. Now, let's talk about how this website is free. As you can see, this tool allows you 30 days free trial to generate unlimited images and videos before asking you to upgrade to the Pro version. But this is what makes it different from other websites. Unlike other websites that shows you a paywall before you can access its free trial, this tool doesn't. Regarding pricing, Google may offer a free trial depending on your region and plan. After the trial period ends, you may need to upgrade to continue accessing premium features. Be sure to review the official terms and pricing details before signing up.